Here's a Tatung Hugger that I got from the Goodwill for $9. And a former fan collector by the name of the Famar Man helped me put this up. And he fixed the wobbling situation with it. And that is not its original light kit. Its original light kit is the 4-way one right there. And it's got the original Tatung pull chains. 3-speed fan, and it's got strange stencil blade on it. And yeah, here's how to start off. The vibrating noise is the light kit. It's a little heavy for it, but whatever. Here's the light kit when it's on. Off. Medium. Yeah, it vibrates the most on medium. I normally use on low. See, look, if I move it to the right, it shuts up. But, whatever. Then low. Yeah, whatever. Off. Updraft. Yeah, not supposed to do that. But whatever. Here's high and updraft. Medium. Low. Off. And that's it.